Hi guys, welcome to the Traveling Epicurean. I am back at one of my very favorite places to be. I'm here with Adele. She's such a passionate cook and I love cooking with her because she's just amazing and you have so many great recipes. So what are we making today, Adele?
Spaghetti pie, pastiera di spaghetti per Pasqua, for Easter.
Ooh.
In Italy, they made it for Easter, but here I made it every week for my children.
Okay, and then your mom used to make it too?
My mama made it for Easter.
Oh, she made it for Easter?
Yes.
And then you continued on this tradition. You make it for your
My children
family.
and my grandchildren, they love it.
That's wonderful. So, what's in this spaghetti pie?
We boil a pound of spaghetti.
Okay.
And then in 1 pound you beat about 5 eggs.
5 eggs. And now is 5 eggs for one?
Yeah, for 1 pound, yeah.
Gotcha.
And then if you like some ham,
Yes.
grated cheese, half a stick of butter, some salt already in a pasta.
Gotcha.
And just a pepper.
Lovely. And did you
And
put pepper into the eggs as well?
Yeah, a little bit. I'm going to put some more in the spaghetti.
Okay. So you put a little spot of olive oil.
Yeah.
And then you rub it with the paper towel. That's exactly how I do mine. But when you have it for the Easter celebration,
Yeah.
is it a side dish
Yeah.
to go with the meats, or you have it as a prima piatta?
Well, when you got so much on the table, you choose where you want.
Okay, we have the pasta. It's al dente, right?
Oh, then
Va bene. Woo! Look at all that steam. So you said keep the cold water running? Why do we do that?
The heat, the hot water is no good for the plumbing.
Ah,
It's always good.
we're draining the pasta. I love bucatini because it has the holes in the middle.
Yeah,
Okay, Adele, what are you adding into this pasta?
half a stick of butter.
Aha! Oh, that's right, you said half a stick. Okay, so that goes in there. And so we put it back in the pot, so it's actually much easier to mix in here. Oh, that parmesan smells so good. And then the whisked eggs go in next.
Always stir it.
And then we're going to add the eggs in there.
Yeah.
A tablespoon of parmesan. Some pepper.
Pepper. Salt was already in the pasta when I boiled it.
Yes, you boiled it with the salt in the pot, right?
With the salt,
Okay.
yes.
Gotcha. Okay, so last but not least is your ham.
Yeah, just going to use a little bit in case if somebody doesn't like to have a ham, you know.
Isn't that pretty? For how long?
Until you see a little crunchy on the top,
Okay.
that's done.
Okay, very good. Well, why don't we have some of this Prosecco? I brought some Prosecco because it's festive and this is something that we serve on a festive holiday, right?
That's it.
Yeah.
There you go.
A Prosecco's Italian, so it kind of fit. And I think that Prosecco goes really well with a dish like this.
Okay. I'm afraid to do this.
Well, you know, what you can do is to put a towel over it. And I could do it, if we do it slowly.
I'm doing it outside.
If you twist the top slowly and hold on to it so it doesn't put a hole in your ceiling. Well, there's a lot of bubbles there. See, it went down to almost nothing there.
I'm already bubbling.
You are bubbly. That's why I love being here.
Salute.
Salute.
Feed your mouse. Good, yeah.
Not too sweet, a little dry.
Yeah.
Delish. It's going to be great with a spaghetti pie. Are you ready to dance? A little Prosecco and she gets going.
That's it. Salute.
Salute, chin chin.
And have a baby boys. That's what they used to say in Italy.
I'm a baby
Have
boy.
boys. I don't know why. Gotta have a girl too.
That's before the Prosecco or after having a sip?
Don't decide.
Those persimmons are absolutely gorgeous. Well, I know that when I come over here, I can always count on you having these persimmons. So
You
Italy
won't
is
believe
big
it.
for persimmons,
But
right?
you won't believe it. How many different sizes they had in Italy?
Really?
Oh yeah, from the big ones like this to a little tiny one.
Really?
And then some of it, when they're green, you can have them. You can
Okay.
eat them. I could
And
tell
then the
the
ripened,
difference.
oh, you can eat them when they're green?
Some of them, yeah.
Okay.
I could recognize. I don't see them here.
Yeah.
When they
Well,
were
those are
pointy,
gorgeous.
They were good when they're green, but otherwise the other ones you have to wait.
Yeah.
They were ripe.
Yeah.
Too many different sizes. It was the cheapest fruit.
It is. Really
Not here.
good.
But
Yeah,
I
it's a
enjoy
little
it.
more costly here at the stores,
But
but
I enjoy it. They're so good.
they're so good for you too. Those tons
Yeah.
of vitamins in there. I like to show people what you can drink, and especially this is a holiday, so a lot of times people have something festive, something alcoholic. Also they'll have non-alcoholic, but I like to, Prosecco goes great with
It
this.
was good. Okay.
Yeah,
It
it's
tastes
like a
good.
brunch item, and
Okay.
Proseccos or mimosas, you could also make mimosas with Prosecco, right?
Yeah.
So, just something to have,
I feel something that gives you.
and it warms you up a little bit.
That's it.
And that's, Easter holiday also. It's the temperature's changing, but it's still a little cold, so
That's okay. Turn the heat on.
yeah, turn the heat up. So we call you Hot Adele.
Hot Adele.
Hot Adele.
I've always worked.
Woo! So inside an apricot pit. I have to see this.
Is
See
it fresh?
this.
Is it fresh almond? Sometimes it's not that good, but most of the time
Okay.
it's
So we can actually put fresh apricots in our prosecco. Like when you make your sangria.
Oh, it's so hard to do it.
You know how what show did we make the sangria? Was that the eggplant balls that we did together? And you
Yeah.
made that lovely
Yeah.
sangria?
Yeah.
Or was that something else? All right.
My
So
God,
I'm gonna put.
sometimes it's very hard to repeat.
How about we make this into like a prosecco sangria?
I can't cry.
I'll help you.
I need a man.
Do you want some? Do you need a
If
man?
you want.
We didn't send out the invitations. That would be nice. All right. This is gonna be delicious. All right.
Sometimes I get a hammer and bang it.
Did I break it?
Yeah, that's okay, but you can see
Oh,
it.
look at that. There's an almond in there. Who knew?
Adele.
Oh, Adele.
Hot Adele knows everything.
Hot Adele knows
I
everything.
was the youngest of 8 children, so I had to learn everything.
You were the youngest of 8 children? Oh my goodness,
Yeah,
Adele.
I got 2 sisters left in Italy.
That's some fun party though, 8 kids.
Boom! You don't want to eat? Get out!
Wow, I love this. Oh, that's
You
delicious.
see the fresh
You know what? It almost reminds me of the flavor. Is it amaretto flavor?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, wow. So that's
Wow.
incredible.
It is good. I always do it.
That tastes like amaretto.
Yeah.
How wonderful. Well, thank you. I did not know
I'm
that
teaching
there was
you.
a delicious almond inside that.
That's it. That's why you're an old lady. She'll teach you everything.
Get a little rosy in your cheeks. So when the ham is inside.
Inside, that will be better, not get crunchy.
But I love the crunchy. Isn't that
Oh,
gorgeous? Oh, it's so pretty, Adele. You can see it sizzling on the
Yeah.
bottom there.
You see Bucatini good?
Yes, I love how it's crunchy
It is
there.
better, yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so you ran the knife all around the outer edge,
Yeah. Yeah, like this.
just like that. And it seemed pretty loose anyways.
Yeah.
Isn't that pretty? Well, I'll take a side with the ham. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh. Oh, that's gorgeous. Beautiful. So you just pick it up
And just bite.
and then just bite it like
It's
that.
hot right now.
So we might have to wait for it to cool a little bit. Okay, thank you. I love the shape of it and how it holds together.
Yeah, we'll hold this together, yeah.
Mm. Oh, that's so nice. I love that.
Isn't that good?
Really, really delicious. Mm. What thank you so much. Salute. I love cooking with you, Adele.
Thank you.
You always come up with these fun recipes, and it's so easy to make. You can make. Usually, you have all these ingredients in the fridge, right? You could even use bacon actually too. Bacon would probably be good on there.
No, but prosciutto's better.
Oh, prosciutto.
Italian bacon.
Yeah, because we're gonna keep it Italian, so you can go bacon, but prosciutto if you have prosciutto.
I always like Italian bacon.
Yeah, I do too. Absolutely love it. It's really, really good. Well, you can find this recipe at thetravelingepicurean.com. Thank you so much for sharing our recipe here today with Adele. Thank you, Adele. You're a sweetheart. Oh my gosh.
Thank you to be with me.
We'll see you soon. Have a great day. Ciao. Ci vediamo.
Thank you for watching The Traveling Epicurean. A special thanks to